Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see dislike on YouTube. As you guys can see, I can see dislike on my YouTube. So let me show you how you guys can achieve this as well. So to achieve this, what you want to do is first you want to search for web store. Once you search for web store, it's going to show you Chrome web store. You want to click on Chrome web store. And inside Chrome web store, let's just search for YouTube dislike. Once you search for YouTube dislike, it's going to show you an extension called YouTube dislike. If you have that extension, it's going to work. And remember, this extension only works on Google Chrome. So if you're using any other browser, it's not going to work. So click on return YouTube dislike. Once you click on it, click on add to Chrome. Once you do that, click on add extension, and this extension will be added on your Chrome. And wait for some time. And as you guys can see, it has been added. And once it has been added, what I can do is just open YouTube and see any video, and it's going to show me how many dislikes that video has. So I'm just going to see one random video. So this is going to be the random video I'm going to watch. It's probably going to show me the dislike over here. Wait for some time. And as you guys can see, the dislike is also being shown. So that's how you guys can see dislike on YouTube, again by using this extension. And as I said, this only works on Chrome. If you're using any other browser, it's not going to work. So I hope you understand how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.